Bhoi College Lengba ka department jo ka sociology, philosophy, but IQAC jo ka Bhoi College ha ka jingas no Pynlong. Bar ka office jo ka international affair ne hu, ka Pynlong ka international conference ka banne lais ni, ka balayo ban sedang ha ka prada ri unai lor, but an penkut ha ka lai photari unai lor, halor ka phang. Urban, imaginaries, indigenous cultures and social policies in the context of Meghalaya and Northeast India, ya ka bala Pynlong Bhoi College. Hakani ka conference kila Pynlong tu ya ka panel discussion halor kapang identity and belonging, how urbanization impacts indigenous communities in Meghalaya. Hakabala shimbanta do James PK Sangma, chairman MIDC Shillong, ba Alantri F Dakar, co-chairman state level public grievances committee government of Meghalaya, ba Professor Prasanjit Biswas, officer in charge OIA Nehu, ki balong kum ki nangishimbanta hakate ka panel discussion panelists. Hakani ka sni uba penyat sing CM KHADC ulalong kumu kongsan, haka jingan dan rangkat u Professor Sanjeev Kakuti, Strategy and Liberal Studies, IIM Shillong, EC Benny, Principal Bhoi College, ba Mbha CM Le, MLA Barem Kamaulai, ba Alantri Dakar, ba MB Tongper, ADM Bhoi District, ba K Langste, Menteri Himamaliam, Kong WK Bla, Secretary Governing Body, ba SR Bamon, ex-principal Bhoi College, lambat ki wei ki riu Shampang, kinong hikai bat ki khana puli, jongka Bhoi College. La sakhi ru hagani ka sngi da ka jingwan yashim bantalang da ki riu Shampang ki balawan nabar jongka ri India ki ba kanthum, ya ka Dr. Adelaila Caballero, Uppsala University, Sweden, Wesley R. Bishop, Jacksonville State University, Atlanta, USA, baru Professor Pia Bud Sumitikon, Assistant Professor, Department of Philosophy, jangka Chiang Mai University, Thailand, kiban shim ya kabanta kum ki keynote speakers jangka teka conference.
Smartphones or stupid phones, whatever you want to call them, you can.
Akan ni ka aku praterik jonggu menai September arjar apulai ketika sini sedang jongka international conference arjar apulai ka pemeniat da ka department jongka sociology, department philosophy haringkat ke jinga Pynlong ru jongka IQAC jongka college badru ka Office of National Affairs jongka Nehu kabala long mentakasngi hakaba ka team jong kani ka conference kadai halor ka urban imaginaries, indigenous cultures and social policies in the context of Meghalaya and Northeast India. Di hakani kasngi ka program ka lalong ka job hakaba nilayoi ya lainut ki keynote speaker ki bawan na Shillong jong Duriao Iway na po United States of America, Professor Wesley Bishop, Iway na po Sweden, Dr. Adelaida, but Iway na po ka University of Chiang Mai, Thailand, I Professor Pynlong. Te nalor kini ki langut ki keynote speakers ki bawan, I don ki participants, tani kinong yeshim benta ki ban present ki paper hakini ki laisngi, kabayday bat ka theme jong ka conference. Hakaba kiladon ki scholars, ki academicians, ki professors na kajala kajongi na kanika than chatay lamingi batru na kari India kajongi la kadai na shathi shatai namingi sasami tengi I kanika conference ka jingsnang joka kalong ka job bat ngingit skam ba kanika conference kan yak bet bro laisngi klam kanu kanu kajing betut haringkat kajing ku kajong